Good morning to everyone. My name is Vai Gautami and I am working as a management lecturer. Today we are going to discussing about the topic title is purchase decision. It is also known as buying decision process. In earlier class we already discussed what is the buying decision process. So it may be we have the choice of one of the other option question for the what are the purchase behavior to the customer. So who is purchase the product? The purchase productor is a customer. The customer when they want to purchase they may be ask their opinions to others. For example, if maybe purchase daily usable products like water or milk or flour, they may be never asked to so which products I want to purchase. So when the customer asks to purchase means when the products are durable nature, like the customer want to purchase a mobile or bike or car. So when the product maybe have the durable nature, at the time only the customer may be ready to interest ask opinions to others. So because of the reason the opinions of other also may be interest to creation to the customer. So they want to purchase the product. So when the customer want to purchase product, for example if you want to purchase one car, at the time may be asked to you your friends, so which car is better for me, so which car may be lowest price, which car may be highest price, so which color may be suitable, so it may be white or black, so which color may be familiar. They may be asked to some questions for the others. So why we ask others? Because of the reason, so we don't know any information about the product. So that's why we may be asked to some questions our neighbors or friends, because of the reason it is a durable product. Because for example if you want to purchase one house, at the time you may be asked to some financial supporters. So how much of they may be spend the product. So the house is a beneficiary for us. So what is located here? They may be asked some questions to others like neighbors and friends, because of the reason it is a durable product. Maybe we want to choice options. So that's why we can ask to some opinions to others. So when we want to purchase a product, at the time first point is problem recognition. So what is the meaning of problem recognition, ma? The recognition means identification. So why we identification problem sense? So what we face the problem, first we identify, we want to purchase that problem overcome. So for example, if we have a problem like headache, at the time the recognition is we identify we have a headache. So at the time we want to purchase a product like certain product. So when we have the problem when we are recognized and after only we can decide we can go to purchase the product. So when we want to bath, at the time we can identify our problem is bath. So we want a product like soap. So that's why when the arising problem, at the time the problem overcome to we need a purchase to one product. So otherwise we no need to purchase a product. So when we are facing one problem, that problem solution is purchase a product. That is the problem recognition. And the second step is information collect. So which information we are collected, ma? So we are collected about the information about the product. Which type of product we want? We can collected information about the product through who are the neighbors or friends who are familiar to us. So who are the well-wishers to us? We may be asked to some collection of information. The collection of information maybe should be accurate. So the may be information inaccurate, at the time our decision may be false. So that's why we collected the information about the product only in the accurate manner. Accurate sense correct manner. So when we are collected very accurate correct information, that information may be helpful to you can purchase the product. And the third step is evaluation. Evaluation sense we can check it in our minds what we are take the decision it is correct or not. So once we take decision automatically we can purchase the product. So after the purchase we can't do anything on our minds. So that's why we can select once or twice, we can check it out in our minds, evaluate. So this is correct or not. So if you want any information wrongly we are collected, so this product really need or not, so we are collected to the information after that is the evaluation. The evaluation checking like monitoring about the product, it is true or false. And the fourth stage is purchase. Fourth step is purchase. So we are ready to purchase the product. So when we are ready to purchase the product, so when we have the problem recognition, and after we have the information, and we are checking like evaluation, and after only we can take the decision like a purchase decision. The purchase decision is totally related to in money form. So here we can spend the money to purchase a product, and first level, second level, third level we never use any money. But the reason are like when we are meet the fourth stage, automatically we need the money spent to purchase the product. And the fifth point is post purchase feeling. So why we need post purchase feeling? We already make the sale completed, but why we collect post purchase? Because of the reason the post purchase feeling like a feedback. So how many customers purchase our products? So we can go to survey that customers. So how to satisfy that? So how much of ratings you can give? So the product may be satisfied or not. So if you need more branches, if you need more flavors, so if you need less quantity or high quantity, so we can collect the information about the post purchase feeling by the customer. The post purchase feeling means it is a feedback system. So why we need feedback means the feedback may be helpful to manufacturer to produce more things, to start up more branches. So that's why we can collect the information like the post purchase feeling. For example, the purchase decision we may be select one SIM card. So when we want to purchase one SIM card, the first point is problem recognition. So what is our problem? Our problem may be we may be use one SIM card. That SIM card may be not able to clarity of voice or network any problems. So we can identify problem recognition. That SIM is not suitable. I want to purchase another SIM. So when you identify your problem, at that time how to overcome that problem? The problem overcome we need one new SIM. You can collect the information about the product. The SIM is helpful or not. So who are the already use the product, we may be asked to them. So how much like the product may be satisfied. So what are the network can have errors. So what they may be have any problems, we can ask to the information about the product. We can collecting about the product information. And the third point is evaluation. So once or twice we are also check it out. That SIM may be suitable or not suitable. And after only we can purchase the SIM. So when we purchase the SIM, at the time we may be spend some money to purchase the SIM card. And after is post purchase feeling. So you already purchased the SIM. At the time when you have the queries, we may be need to the call center of information. So what is the use of call centers, ma? The call centers may be provided the information about the, so what you face any problems to use the product like a new SIM. So that's why we need the post purchase feeling. The post purchase feeling like a feedback system. The feedback system may be helpful to start up new products or new branches. When we want expansion about the product, at the time we can collect it to survey about the customer feelings. Okay students, thank you so much.